Alright, I'm going to show you how to save some files on or copy some files on a flash drive. Now let's start just like we were earlier. I'm going to open Computer and open Documents. So you see the documents on my computer. Notice that right now this screen is filling up the whole screen, and I could come up here and click on this little restore down. That makes it smaller. Or I could hover my mouse on any one of the corners and drag it. Again, I've got my mouse button down, my left mouse button, while dragging, while moving. So you have to do two things at one time, kind of. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and make it large again. Now I'm going to stick the flash drive in. Notice when the flash drive gets stuck in, it says open folder to view files. So I'm going to do that. Now, it's kind of on top of the other folder, so I want to make it smaller. Okay. All right. But if for some reason I click on the other folder, it's going to cover it up. So if I want to go back to it, I have a couple of choices. One is I could minimize, and then I see it again. If I minimize both of them, you'll notice I can find them by hovering on this little folder thing down here, and then I can open up either one of them. But the easiest way to copy the files is to make it so that you are on that restore. Hover your mouse over one of the sides, hold down your left mouse button, and at the same time drag to make it smaller. Now, if I want to know where that flash drive is again, I can hover down. I could click on Computer and open it again. But if I hover down here, here it is. So now I've got the two windows. I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller. I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller. If you've got them side by side, it's really easy to select more than one thing. I could just drag that right over there, and that copies it. Or I could single click on one of these and then hold down my Control key and single click on another and another, as many as I wanted. Once I've got them selected, I can just point my mouse to them and drag them over here. And that'll copy all of them at once. I'm going to delete those files right now so I can do that again. Back in there, I'm sorry. We'll delete all these files I just put in here. Let's say I just couldn't figure out how to drag. Now, you'll notice when I deleted the files, it did close it, so I do have to double click it to open it again. Let me try deleting them again. Delete. Yes. Okay. Now let's say I'd open this and it was just covering it up and I couldn't make it smaller. What I could do is single click one file and copy it, or again hold down the Control key on my keyboard while I single click multiple files. Then right click on those files and select left click on copy. Minimize this, point into the open space here, right click, and select paste. So two ways to get files from your computer to the flash drive. Now when you're doing the other way around, it'll be the reverse. You can drag them from there into the My Computer on your new computer. So you put the flash drive back in and drag them over there. Or right click and copy from here and paste into the Documents folder on your new computer.